you suggest कि हम end user के या developer या overseas पाकिस्तानी या investor के, how can we secure, safeguard their interest?
Thank you. देखिए, this is exactly what I've been stressing on. पहले तो मैं just to add on what you previously discussed, जो आप shortage की बात कर रहे थे, मैंने previously जो when I read about the housing crisis जो के तब I'm not exactly sure. I'll cross verify because you're saying 2 million. What I read was 10 million houses की जो shortage है. लेकिन the interesting part was it कि जो major chunk था उसका 60% of it जो shortage of housing का था, it comprised of people belonging from the low level income levels. आप imagine करें कि 60% जो वो chunk है पूरे उस 10 million shortage का, it belong from the people जो कि बिल्कुल lower तबका है. तो question पर यहाँ पे raise होता है कि are the policies or are the current policies, do they fit in that chunk? Is the process of getting the loan, applying for it, being qualified for it, having the right amount of money initially to be a part of that scheme, is it right fit for those particular people जो कि उस chunk में आते हैं, जिनको I think they're very unaware of the entire procedure. So this is something, it's just an open-end question if Chata Saab would like to answer as well later on. Secondly, मेरा जो primary concern था at the end of the consumer वो यही था कि जो entire हमारी policy चल रही है अभी, जो अभी recently, is it sustainable? It's very nice. I am glad जैसे मैंने शुरू में ही इस चीज को praiseworthy करके discuss किया था, जो construction policy और जो सारी एक they're shedding the light on this particular area. But is it sustainable? Will it be same when this current government goes and it gets replaced by any other government coming future? Okay, let's take it that way. So will it stay the same? Will the process flow जो design किया, will it stay the same? आपने एक online accessibility की बात की. That's a very good point. Is the process of land registration system जो होता है, is it GPS based? Is it online accessible? Is it open to a common person as well? कि when he is purchasing something, is he able to check the status of that particular land या chunk of land जो वो खरीदने से पहले check कर सकता है कि government level पे is it officially announced? Because duplication in paperwork, that's very simple and which has been happening for quite a long time now. So what's the way to get out of it? Because हम लोग आज 4 हाई राइज बिल्डिंग 5 या मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के लोगों को डिलीवर भी कर देते हैं, बट विल इट बी सेम 5 साल बाद? जब क्या एश्योरिटी है कि जो वो डेवलपर है जब वो लैंड खरीद के फॉर एग्जांपल बेचता है और 5 साल बाद कोई फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन आके कहती है कि जो ये लैंड ये तो गवर्नमेंट का लैंड है फॉर एग्जांपल या इलीगली एक्वायर्ड है. So what about the people who have already purchased, invested their life savings in that particular land? What about them? जो एक कोर्ट में केस जाता है उसके बाद ये सेटलमेंट के बाद, is it really paying off to the common person? तो वो ये सारे देखें concern are still unheard. मेरा जो इसमें primary एक suggestion भी यही होगा कि I'm still looking forward to a separate federal level पे और provincial level पे supported controlled regulation या regulatory authority which is represented by the people, the knowledge workers who are in this industry. With all due respect, आपके SECP है, आपकी municipal authorities होती हैं, we love them to be on board with us, but the people, the knowledge workers who are in this in the game, are they on the same level to represent the voices of consumers? ये सारे concerns मेरे ख्याल से तभी sort out होंगे जब तक एक separate regulation या regulatory authority बनेगी that is represented by the realtors themselves.
I think there's a very valid point. I think this had been the debate for years that whenever we go to the regulator, they don't understand. The people sitting on the other side across the table, they take time. So we really need expert people, like right person on the right job, so to make it happen and have the infrastructure or structure the right way of doing it. You rightly said that we cannot really secure, or हम लोग इस process को we can't make it so transparent and so fast. The way we are thinking, we need 5 million houses. This is only possible if we have the infrastructure in place, if we have the process in place, and we have the right people, certainly, like you said. To answer your second question.